Hey guys, I'm sorry we got disconnected. The internet has just been wonky lately. So what you missed while we were in class, we just basically went over the Amoeba Sisters video and made sure like that people got the notes that they saw on the Google Slides. So the slides is down or on Canvas, and you'll be able to see like basically the characteristics of all the macromolecules and the things that you should see in your chart. Then we started this lab. So this is the Jarrell's lab. If you click, if it's in Canvas, it's called Jarrell's Missing iPad. It will be, I think, for tomorrow and the next day, so tomorrow and Friday. But basically, we filled in this part right here, okay, as a group. So it's pretty simple. So you're going to read this information here, and that's, like I said, it's on Canvas. Go ahead and make a copy of it, and then you'll eventually submit that to me. These guys will have a paper copy. But this stuff is kind of just like thinking through characteristics of things. So for instance, carbohydrates right here, it says the type of compound, and then examples of that. So examples of a carbohydrate would be pasta. It would be anything sweet. Potatoes contain carbohydrates, right? So they contain starch. And then example or characteristics of this type of organic compound. Well, things taste sweet. That would be an example of a characteristic of it. Okay, so it's sweet. Some things you would consider like a potato, you would say it tastes like starchy, okay, and so forth. So that's how you do the characteristics part. Then we have down here, what do you, so it says, these are the things we're going to do an example of. We're going to test tomorrow in class. And so we just kind of talked about what do we think these food items or substances would contain, what kind of macromolecules. So like for instance, vegetable oil, everybody said, well, that would contain lipids. We said that glucose, that is a monosaccharide. So monosaccharides are examples of carbohydrates. So it should test positive for carbohydrates. Gelatin will test positive for proteins. And then water is just H2O. It shouldn't test positive for any of these things. So it's going to be quote unquote our control. So then over here, what we got to, we didn't fill out any of this part, but we filled out this table for the Benedict's test. It's not a test that we can do in class. So I'm going to kind of show you our results. So Benedict's is a blue solution that will turn a color in the presence of simple sugar. And so basically, our first example is vegetable oil. So when I look at vegetable oil, this one right here, you can kind of see the oil here on top. It's still this blue color. And because it's still this blue color, and you would record that in the Benedict's test, the color is blue. And under the glucose present, you would say, no, it's negative. So you would kind of put like a X or a minus in the next column. So I would put right on here, blue and negative. So do you see how I have blue and then negative? So then let's look at our glucose. So our glucose was this, okay? It did change color. This is like kind of a brick red. So Benedict's will change color in the presence of a simple sugar. Well, glucose is a simple sugar. It's a building block. And so we're going to put that it's brick red and positive. Okay, so red, positive. Okay, so that's what our table will look like. Then our other ones, and it says powdered egg whites. It actually should say gelatin. So change that on your paper. Couldn't find powdered egg whites at the store. So then we test for gelatin. And gelatin's right. No, that's glucose. This one is gelatin. Okay, we see that it's still blue, so that means the Benedict's didn't change color. That means that there's no monosaccharides present or simple sugars, so that would be negative again. So looks like this. Our gelatin, same thing. We see no color change. It's blue. It would be negative. And then last but not least, water. Water was right here. It's blue. Did not change color, which we expect because it's our control. If it did change color, we were like, oh, something's off. So that would be negative. So the only one that turned positive was the glucose, which Benedict's changes color in the presence of. That's all we did today. There's no homework. Don't worry about submitting anything. And that's it. If you have questions, let me know. Sorry we got cut off. We can still try tomorrow. If not, I'll make a quick little video showing you our results or send you pictures of our results. And that's about it. Bye, guys.